Hi, Next Adventures right here. Greetings. Yep. How you guys doing? Hope fine. Yeah. Yeah. What are we discussing? Momentum. Yeah. All we have at hand is a bird at hand is worth more than two in the bush. All right. Okay. So, excuse me. What do you have? I'm asking you. What do you have? Just look inwards and dig up that which you are good at. Okay? That's God's gift to you. Nobody came in empty, but everybody sure came in loaded. It is now left for you to either lead an ignorant kind of life, as in I don't care, type of stuff, or to sit down, do the maths, and try and figure out what you have at hand. Okay? So, without further ado, if you can sit down and introspect, and you finally discover that you are good at that which you came with, that you are comfortable with, that you are at ease with, then from there you automatically know that it is the bird that you have at hand. Okay? And you never ever try to joke with that which you have, because it's detrimental. Alright? So, what do you have at hand? If you factor that in and pick that up, hold it firm and hold it fast. Okay? Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, I don't think it's wise, with that in your hands, you leaving it to kind of pursue shadows, or to chase shadows, or to what you have at hand, which is already concrete. I don't feel it is wise. Let me reiterate it. In any way, in any form, in any shape, in any manner, for you to leave what God has placed in your hands and go about looking for what is not yet visible, what is not yet feasible. There are two things. What you don't know yet, that is being beaten about the bush. Okay? Now, you cannot have those things, the bird, the concrete thing in your hands, on your palms, whatever, and you go about looking for thousands without utilizing that one thing in your hand. Okay? So in other words, it's just like how do I put it? Just like one whose house is on fire, right? And that one person leaves his house that is on fire, pursuing rats elsewhere. By the person is done hunting, by the time the person is done hunting, definitely the fire will consume his domain. And that is pretty bad, my friends. And that is not in any way reasonable. That is not in any way wise. That is not in any way rational. In it, as my British guys would say, in it, mate. So that is it. So please, In order not to let this convo get too long, I'm saying this time around that a bird at hand in your hand is worth more than two or more. The emphasis me and mine in the bush. Okay? So what do you have at hand, my dear friend or amigo? Try to, pick it up, hold fast to it, develop it, make best use of it. Because a bird at hand is worth more than two in the bush. I guess it's the best place to live it. Okay?